Hello again, my name is June, and today I'll be going over the Scorpius N2T wireless trackball keyboard. Comes in a box like this. And this keyboard is perfect for anyone looking to step up to enhance their home entertainment PCs, their presentation rooms, basically any computer systems that you want to use wireless keyboards with. And the package comes with the actual keyboard, the user guide. It comes with 3 AAA batteries and also the USB driver. This keyboard features a 2.4 GHz RF technology with 48 channels. It has a wireless operational range that can reach about 10 meters or 33 feet. And it comes with 21 MC hotkeys for multimedia usage and 2 mouse buttons and a full optical trackball for mouse functionality. It has laser engraved keys, which avoids character wearing for long-term usage. And it also has high-quality rubber membrane key switches to provide that excellent tactile feeling when typing. It also has 2 LED indicators, the transmitter and the battery low. And the great thing about this keyboard is it has low power consumption technology, which means that it only consumes the battery life when you're actually moving the trackball or typing. And when it's just sitting, when you're browsing online or watching something, it actually does not use the battery consumption. And like many of our Scorpius keyboards, it's very easy to use as it's a plug-and-play application. All you need to do is stick in the USB driver and the USB port, and your computer should instantly read. As you can see, I can sit far back anywhere I want, browse online using the optical trackball, and you can type without a problem. It feels very nice. And again, you can go all the way back to 33 feet in open space, browse anything you want. And so basically, anyone looking for a good multimedia keyboard that has a trackball mouse function, so you don't have to utilize 2 devices, this is perfect. It's very thin, it's very light. This is the silver and blacks keyboard, and that is our Scorpius N2T wireless trackball keyboard. And thank you for watching the demonstration.